밀실에서 정신을 차리는 모자람 없는 한 남자. 금속 패널로 짜여있는 네모 반듯한 벽들. 6면의 벽 한가운데마다 동일한 형태의 출입구가 보입니다. 출입구를 연 남자. 또 똑같은 공간이 등장했죠. 어느 출입구를 열어도 똑같은 공간입니다. 남자는 괜찮아 보이는 공간으로 넘어가는데 문제가 발생하죠. 그 시각 또 다른 방. 2명의 남자가 정신을 차립니다. 누가 누구인지조차 알 수 없는 상황에서 또 다른 누군가가 이곳으로 들어오죠. 기계가 작동하는 소리가 들립니다. 이들은 왜 여기에 있는 걸까요? 깨져버린 소녀의 안경.
It's okay. Calm down.
What was in there?
Just give me a minute to figure things out.
Why were you afraid of that room?
또 다른 인원입니다.
How many people are in this thing?
We can't go climbing around in here.
Why not?
It's traps.
What do you mean traps?
Booby traps. Something almost cut my head off.
Holy cow!
밀실에 gat힌 이들은 서로를 의지할 수밖에 없죠.
Are you alright? Worth!
I hit my head.
Let me take a look at that. I'm a doctor.
워커를 끈으로 묶기 시작하는 노인.
What the hell are you doing?
노인은 밀실의 정체를 밝힙니다.
Man, did you hear what I said?
이곳은 온통 함정뿐인 무자비한 미로였죠.
Motion detectors integrated into the wall. Tough to spot.
Oh God!
Does anybody remember how they got here?
I was eating dinner and then I went to the fridge and then I don't know.
You?
I just went to bed and
What about you?
I just woke up here.
And what is it?
I don't know.
Aliens.
움직임을 보이는 밀실.
Concentrate on what we know. What do you think, Renz?
We won't solve jack shit sitting still.
All right, I tend to agree.
shouldn't we wait here? See if anybody comes?
No one's gonna come.
There's a way in here, so there's gotta be a way out. We can avoid the traps using the boot. Look for an exit.
Okay.
Can't be that simple. But I got feelings looking at us.
누군가 이들을 가둔 걸까요?
Just want to wake up.
Evan, we can do this. I'm a cop.
You're a cop?
Yeah, I'm gonna get you out of here.
Okay.
Okay. Booted.
그렇게 이들은
Clean.
탈출구를 찾기 위해 이동합니다.
That one sounded closer.
It's mechanical. Seems to come a regular interval.
뭔가를 발견했군요.
What is it? Serial numbers?
They're different in each room.
566 million.
Well, there better not be.
Suck on it.
노인은 우선
Keeps the saliva flowing.
살아남는 데 집중합니다. 확인 절차를 거쳤지만 의심하는 노인.
What?
The air seems dry in there. Molecular chemical sense.
How is it you know so much about sensors?
Ren, it's French.
Ren, sensor X.
노인은 대단한 인물이었죠.
Guys, the red.
Threw the coop on 6 major prisons.
7.
You can get us out.
Escape artist.
The only reason I dragged you this far is because I need your boot. No more talking. No more guessing. Don't even think about nothing that's not right in front.
멋졌던 마지막 유언.
Merde.
렌은 트랩에 걸리고 말았습니다. 염산을 얼굴에 직방으로 맞은 렌. 그대로 즉사하죠.
Ren, that's great. That's fucking great. It's time to reassess this place.
Why would they throw innocent people in here? Are we being
You
punished?
can't see the big picture from in here, so don't try.
이곳에 갇힌 이유는 무엇일까요?
Levin, what are you?
Nothing. I just go to school. There is nothing else.
One down, 4 to go.
Why don't you tell us what your purpose is worth?
Often wondered that myself. I'm just a guy. I work in an office building doing office building stuff. What's your purpose, Quentin?
경찰의 이름은 퀸틴.
Kids. 3 of them. I haven't made my peace yet. That's where my strength comes from.
I am pissed off. They came into our homes. They took my ring.
퀸틴은 뭔가 이상함을 깨닫죠.
Your glasses. Well, they took off her jewelry, but they must have put these on you. If nothing's right, why are they here? Levin, what do you do in school? Math.
예리한 관찰력으로 안경을
149.
남겨둔 까닭을 추리하는 퀸틴.
Prime numbers. It seems like if any of these numbers are prime, then the room is trapped. That's not prime. No, it's not prime either. So that room is safe.
You make that assumption based on one prime number trap.
The incinerator thing was prime. The molecular chemical thingy.
You remember all that in your head?
I have a facility for it.
You beautiful brain. Booted. Okay, out of the way.
리브네 왁시는 맞았습니다.
Prime number! Prime number!
수많은 밀실을 통과한 이들.
How long have we been in here?
9 or 10 hours.
How do you know?
5 o'clock shadow.
먹지도 마시지도 못한 채 출구에 대한 희망만 붙들고 나아갑니다.
Doing good.
리븐을 향한 퀸틴의 시선이 기묘하게 음침해지는군요.
These numbers aren't prime.
Okay, clear.
퀸틴은 무슨 생각을 품고 있는 걸까요?
This one's trapped too.
막다른 곳에 도착한 이들.
We have to backtrack?
Not yet.
Oh no. Read them to me.
마지막 가능성이 남은 위쪽을 살펴봐야 합니다.
What are you, his coat rack? Please.
하지만 위쪽의 문은 좀처럼 열리지 않았죠.
Stuck.
또 다른 인원이 추가됩니다.
This room is green. All away.
어딘가 이상 증세를 보이는 신입.
Hi there.
I want to go back to the blue room.
What is it, shock or what?
I think he's mentally handicapped.
I like the blue room.
Jesus Christ.
How'd he survive?
Well, you just worry about your numbers then. Go on, I'll look after him. Kazan?
가잔이 뭔가 두려워하기 시작하지요.
Quentin? Let's not make him do the climbing thing right away.
가잔의 귓속물이 다 빠졌습니다.
Talking about where do you hide something this big? Only the military-industrial complex could afford to build something this size.
It's some rich psycho's entertainment.
Is that what you think?
Clear.
퀸틴을 무시하는 할로웨이.
Okay, you're a cop.
Single bullet theory. Right on.
함정인가요?
Gas.
Get back here!
I just swallowed my buttons.
Hate this.
Your boy's having a conniption fit in there.
할로웨이는 카잔을 진정시킵니다.
Well,
Not prime.
안전한 줄 알았는데
Stop! In front of you.
안전은 갯불. 뒤질 뻔했죠. 공식이 통하지 않았습니다.
I don't know what happened. It wasn't prime.
somebody stop that racket!
카잔이 소리 지르며 난리치죠.
Shut the fucking door! I had a feeling about that fucking guy. He knew about that trap.
Knew what? How would he know?
His only function so far has been to kick us when we're down.
워스를 의심하는 퀸틴.
Doesn't like red rooms. So what happened?
You saw what happened.
Maybe they mean nothing at all.
They worked for us up to now, haven't they? I just...
We need to rest anyway.
잠시 멈춰 생각하며 쉴 시간이 필요한 이들. 리브는 쉬지 않고 이유를 찾으려 합니다.
Are they telling you anything?
They don't reveal themselves right away.
They're like people.
조급해하는 다른 이들과 달리
Oh, gross.
태어난 워스.
Oh, not here, honey. Over in the corner.
방류의 시간.
It's just peeing.
Now it totally reeks in here.
Find this all pretty funny, don't you? That's your job, babysitter.
Jawohl, Kommandant.
Somebody has to take responsibility around here.
Not all of us are conceited enough to play hero.
If that's the chip on your shoulder, why did you lug it all this way? Why didn't you just lie down and die?
퀸틴은 워스를 깔보며
Do it. Show us you have some backbone and be a man.
도발하기 시작하죠.
Thought so.
Fuck you, Quentin. I don't want to die. You think they'd go to all the trouble to build this thing?
Let us beat it so far if there wasn't a way out. Yes, we are! There is no way out of here!
워스가 이곳에 정체를 알고 있음이 밝혀집니다.
Gotcha.
How do you know that?
Answer the question, Worth.
Oh, God.
Who are you?
워스는 자신의 정체를 드러냈죠.
I'm the poison. I designed the outer shell.
What?
Shell of the sarcophagus.
You built this thing?
Not this part, the exterior.
이 밀실, 큐브의 외부 껍데기를 디자인했던 워스.
Cube.
Why didn't you tell us?
No,
You're lying.
it was not at first.
Who's behind it?
I don't know.
Who hired you?
I didn't ask. I never even left my office.
Bullshit. You knew from square one.
This may be hard for you to understand, but there is no conspiracy. Nobody is in charge. Big Brother is not watching you.
Somebody had to say yes to this thing.
I mean, this is an accident.
워스는 이 큐브가 오래전에 이친 프로젝트라고 말하죠.
Why put people in it?
That's my point.
What have we come to? It's so much worse than I thought.
Just more pathetic. We're both part of the system. The reason we're here is that it's out of control.
워스는 자신이 만든 구조물 안에 gat혀 하나의 소모품으로 전락했음을 깨달았습니다.
Oh, I feel better.
That's why you stayed with us, to confess.
목적도 이유도 없다는 워스의 말에 동시에 무너지는 사람들의 심정.
For someone to bust, Quentin?
Stop it! We need him.
What for?
He's the only one who knows anything about the place.
두렵고 불안하나 리브는 희망을 놓지 않죠.
Worth. So there's this outer shell.
Yeah.
Are there any doors?
There's one door.
Where?
Wherever the door guy put it. 6 guesses and it's sealed from the outside.
What are the dimensions of the outer shell?
434 feet.
축구장 2.5개의 면적이 큐브 한 면의 크기입니다.
14 by 14 by 14.
Well, I know that there's a space.
One cube, 26 rooms high, 26 rooms across, 17,576 rooms.
That makes him queasy.
순간
Descartes.
뭔가를 떠올린 리븐.
Levin, you are a genius.
What?
Coded Cartesian coordinates. They're used in geometry to plot points on a three-dimensional graph. The numbers tell us where we are inside the cube. All I have to do is add the numbers together. So that places us 7 rooms from the edge.
All right, let's go.
But what are you gonna do when you get there?
Maybe we can get the door open. Worth will go in first.
No, Quentin, we take turns.
리븐의 말대로 출구가 있는 끝방으로 향하는 이들.
What's the matter?
They don't make sense. If this were right, then we would be outside of the cube. No, not outside of the cube.
Let's hope this one's safe.
끝방의 모든 방향은 함정 투성이었죠.
Sound activated. Move.
어느 방향도 갈 수 없습니다.
They're just surrounded by traps.
I say we cross the bitch. How many boots do we have left, Holloway?
And he's not coming.
Of course he is.
When we get to the edge, we can come back for him, but he'll get somebody killed here.
What have you turned into?
We'll come back for him.
That's a lie and you know it.
카잔이 잘 염으로 줘야 할 텐데요.
He'll be quiet.
카잔도 염을 떼인 것을 느꼈습니다. 음향 감지기가 작동하는 트랩이 있는 방을 한 사람씩 통과해야 하는 상황. 워스는 다음 방에 트랩이 없는 것을 확인했죠. 한 사람 한 사람씩 트랩방을 통과하고 이제 카잔 차례. 할로윈은 카잔을 챙겨가기 위해 트랩에 남아 있으려 합니다. 카잔 뒤지기 일부 직전. 잘 여물고 안전하게 통과했죠. 이제 마지막 쿠엔틴만 통과하면 되는데 문제가 발생합니다. 다행이군요. 다행은 개뿔.
Fuck! He's a trap!
Let him go, you Nazi!
쿠엔틴은 할로웨이에게 개빡쳤죠.
The only reason you even exist.
It's because I keep you!
I know your type. Kids, you missed your boat, Holloway.
How dare you say that to her?
No wonder your wife left you.
본성을 감추지 못한 채 분열되는 사람들.
Did you smack your kids around too?
갈등의 골은 깊어만 가지요.
Is anybody besides me interested in what's on the other side of that door?
Open it.
Door number 6, not number 1. Door number 2.
Open the fucking thing.
Sunshine.
갈등의 끝자락에서 전환점이 찾아옵니다.
Nighttime.
My old friend, the ship. It's there. Morning!
Hang on to me.
Can't see shit. Nothing to hang on to.
We gotta see if the door's over there. We make a rope and a close.
Oh yeah, you're gonna go. I'm the lightest.
I'll go. I'm the lightest after 11. Anyways, it's my turn.
자원하는 할로웨이.
How long did you know people were being put in here?
A couple months.
You opened my eyes, Worth. That's something.
할로웨이는 용기를 냈지요. 동료들을 믿은 채 낭떠러지 같은 바깥으로 나아간 할로웨이.
That's as far as you go!
There's nothing down here! Hold tight! I'll try swinging over there!
반대편에 닿을 듯 말 듯 아슬아슬하지요.
Brace yourselves, I'm gonna try again!
그때
You're getting heavy!
발생한 큰 진동.
What the hell's going on?
가까스로 쿠엔틴이 줄을 붙잡았습니다. 이 순간을 기다렸던 쿠엔틴. 할로웨이는 헬로웨이가 되고 말았죠. 깊은 상실감과 충격에 휩싸인 사람들. 이제 쿠엔틴을 저지할 자가 없습니다.
Come on, Kazan. Kazan, will you please stop doing that?
Gotta be strong, sweetheart.
Don't even talk to me.
Gotta get down to the bottom. Gotta keep cracking the numbers, Levin.
I can't think anymore.
Let her sleep for a while. I haven't slept. Fuck no, so.
All right, 1 hour.
모두가 잠든 틈을 타 본색을 드러내며 움직이기 시작하는 쿠엔틴. 리븐을 조심스레 접수하죠.
What do you do?
We have to make it down to the bottom.
You just want to leave them?
They're traps, Levin. You think us out. Believe in me. We are the purpose. The cube is us. We fit like numbers. 2 halves of the equation. Perfect key.
미쳐가는 쿠엔틴.
It's time to go down.
워스가 용기를 냈군요.
Get away from her. They're fucking spies. Holloway had outside information about my family.
Dropped her.
Just go, Quentin.
Give us the boot, you pig.
도덕성이 붕괴된 쿠엔틴. 모든 것을 힘으로 억누르기 시작하죠.
You don't want the boat.
마지막 방에 물인 워스.
Wanna come with us, Worth? Down the hatch. What the fuck's with it?
워스가 떨어진 곳은 이들이 처음으로 희망을 잃었던 그 장소였습니다.
How did it?
It's the Ren.
How could?
We've been going in circles.
That can't be. Where are we?
You figure it out. All you do is freak out, you.
다시 처음 자리로 돌아온 이들. 누군가는 죽었고 누군가는 서로를 의심했지만 결국 얻은 것은 아무것도 없었죠.
I guess you were right, Worth. There's no way out of here.
모두의 희망이 무너집니다. 쿠엔틴은 위로를 받습니다. 순간 어떤 사실을 알아차린 워스. 뭔가 이상하다고 느꼈죠.
How come there's nothing out there?
It's the edge.
We weren't at the edge before. Where's the room that killed Renz?
What difference does it make?
Listen to what I'm saying. There was a room there before. We haven't been moving in circles. The rooms have.
큐브가 움직였다는 것을 눈치챈 워스.
What do you want to, Eleven?
A list of all the coordinates that the room passes through.
How do we get out?
I know where the exit is.
Where?
Back off, Quentin.
I just want to know.
Remember that room we passed through before?
What about it?
That coordinate placed the room outside the cube.
Bridge.
What are you talking about?
The bridge is only a
For a
bridge.
short period of time.
So when does it open?
탈출에 가까워졌습니다.
Don't.
잘 짜진 쿠엔틴.
That's it.
What does that mean?
리브는 방이 2번 돌면 제자리로 돌아온다는 사실을 발견했죠.
Do we have time?
Technically, I can identify the traps. First, I thought that they were identified by prime numbers. They're not. They're identified by numbers that are the power of a prime.
Can you calculate that?
I'd have to calculate the number of factors in each set.
Figure it out.
I can't! Nobody in the whole world could do it mentally. It's astronomical!
인간 계산기의 등장.
Astronomical
What did you say?
factors.
How many factors of 567?
Fucking kidding.
How many factors does 30 have?
3 gumdrops.
워스는 사탕을 상자째 주겠다고 약속합니다.
I don't like the red
8 died 8.
2.
He's giving us the factors.
You're telling me Telethon boy is a genius. Only one way to find out.
워스를 집어던진 쿠엔틴.
Safe? My man. What's the number, buddy boy? Right here. Look here. Make him do it.
779? Clear.
Move. You two work.
워스는 참을 수 없었죠.
Oh, gee.
광기에 휘말린 쿠엔틴만 떼어내면 되는 상황.
Is he dead?
Not quite. Out of here. I'll finish your fucking.
쿠엔틴은 바로 쫓아옵니다.
Where is he? Here right now.
계획은 성공했죠.
Gotcha. That way.
Clear.
새로운 공간에 도착한 이들.
Whoa.
이들의 예상은 틀리지 않았습니다.
Guess that proves our theory.
Clear.
이들은 서둘러 가다가 그만 카잔을 놓치고 말았죠.
Listen.
He hasn't moved far.
Go find him.
워스는 멀지 않은 곳에서 카잔을 발견합니다.
I don't like that.
순간 무언가에 팔을 찔린 립은 초반에 있었던 그 방이로군요.
14.
Worth! Get back here right! This room's next move takes it to the bridge! Move it!
이들은 이동하는 방에 올라탑니다.
Worth?
Oh, this better be it.
It should be.
Where?
이동 중인 방.
Oh well.
This is the room we started in. We should never have moved in the first place.
이들은 마침내 탈출구와 연결된
Bridge.
마지막 큐브에 도착했죠. 드디어 바깥입니다. 주저앉는 워스.
Worth,
Go ahead.
you can't quit now!
I have nothing to live for.
What is out there?
Boundless humans.
I can live with that.
쿠엔틴이 모든 걸 망가뜨렸죠. 이들이 뒤를 밟은 쿠엔틴. 무시하고 도망가는 카잔. 쿠엔틴도 서둘러 탈출하려 하나 인생을 탈출해버렸습니다. 워스는 쿠엔틴을 붙잡아내며 그의 광기와 몸통을 끊어냈죠. 마지막 힘으로 립은 옆에서 최후를 맞는 워스. 최종 승자입니다. 카잔. 이 영화는 여기까지. 오늘의 영화 큐브 재미있게 보셨나요? 이 작품은 고작 제작비 4억으로 100억 가까운 흥행을 거둔 전설 같은 영화죠. 촬영에 쓰인 큐브방 세트도 단 2개뿐. 그 빈자리를 채운 건 참신한 아이디어, 끝까지 조이는 긴장감, 그리고 인물들 사이에 날카로운 심리 묘사였다고 생각합니다. 감독은 개인 PC가 처음 보급되던 때 그 컴퓨터 작은 박스에서 영감을 얻어 이 영화를 구상했다고 하는데요. 컴퓨터처럼 큐브도 외부와 단절된 공간, 공감과 소통이 사라진 자리에서 벌어지는 균열과 분열을 보여주려 했던 것이겠죠. 모두가 주어진 세계 안에서 각자의 방식으로 탈출구를 찾고 끝내 가장 약해 보였던 이가 살아남는 결말도 인상적이지 않았나요? 과거에도 여러 번 봤던 영화지만 예전에는 보이지 않던 캐릭터들의 상황들이 제3과 겹쳐 보이면서 또 다르게 다가오더군요. 역시나 명작인 이유가 있습니다. 그럼 기무는 큐브 2편으로 다시 찾아뵙죠. 구독과 좋아요, 알람 설정 부탁드립니다. 기무였습니다. 인간들이 포장되었습니다.
Where's the goddamn number?
숫자를 찾는 노인. 노인은 이곳을 탈출하려고 하지요.
They're my numbers. I want a chance. I want a chance like everyone else.
주위에서 비명 소리가 들려오자 노인은 좌절합니다. 또 다른 공간에서 눈을 뜬 한 여자.
Hello? Are you all right?
Are you hurt?
Don't move. Don't make a sound. I said don't move. Are you alone?
Blink once for yes, twice for no. Is there anyone else in the other room? All right, I'm gonna release you.
All right.
남자도 정신이 없군요.
What the hell do you think you're doing?
How many rooms you been in?
I don't know, 5 or 6. What about you?
This is my third. So who are you? What the fuck are those noises?
이 공간엔
Pretend that you're scared.
Hang on.
많은 이들이 있었죠.
Hey, come back! Where the fuck do you think you're going?
This guy sure moves quickly. He's just gone.
Maybe you should come back.
증발한 남자.
This place is awful.
현실 세계의 법칙이 적용되지 않는 이 공간에서 여자는 또 다른 인물을 마주치게 됩니다.
Don't hurt me.
Don't be frightened. I'm Kate. What's your name?
Sasha.
Everything's gonna be all right, okay?
새로운 인물이 추가됐군요.
Kept hoping that I would find some other people.
Stay away from me.
She's blind. She's very scared.
Bummer to be blind in this place.
You know what this place is?
No,
방을 세는 남자.
What are you doing?
I'm marking the rooms.
This is the 4th room you've been in?
Yeah.
I thought you said you've been wandering these rooms for a while.
That's a weird thing, isn't it? But no matter how many different doors or portals I go through, I always wound up in the same 3 rooms.
It's as if the rooms are moving around or something.
It's getting closer. I want us dead.
What is? What is?
Please, we have to move.
두려워하는 이들 앞에 새로운 상황이 펼쳐집니다.
I can't hold it much longer!
What's happening?
Hang on, hang on, hang on.
한 공간에 모이는 사람들.
So you found some friends?
Help me get him down.
Fantastic.
인생을 마치려 한 노인을 이들은 협력하여 구해냈죠.
He's alive.
Good. Colonel Thomas H. McGuire, Department of Defense.
Pentagon high-tech liaison.
How the hell would you know?
이곳을 감옥으로 여기는 젊은이.
You know for sure we're in a prison, or are you just talking out of your ass?
대령의 상태가 좋지 않죠.
This man's been beaten badly. He's been tortured.
They're coming for us next.
Don't let anyone hurt.
I hope it's that easy, Kate.
There's nothing in here.
What do you think? Well, I figure he knows something he didn't want anyone to know.
또 다른 소리가 들려옵니다.
Hello, I seem to be lost again. Lost.
치매 증상을 보이는 노인 하나도 추가됐군요.
I'm Mrs. Paley.
You don't happen to know why you're here?
이곳의 정체에 대해
Do any of us know what's going on here?
Sorry.
그 누구도 알지 못합니다.
They sure don't.
The rooms are moving around very quickly.
It's getting closer.
Do you know what it is?
Not really, but I can hear it.
Maybe we're in hell.
All right, let's get some real answers. Okay, soldier, up on your feet.
Stop it. He's serious.
Hey, listen to me, sweetheart.
I'm not your sweetheart, asshole. You're trying to kill us.
이들에게 문제가 발생하지요.
Jesus. Come on. What's going on here? Speak to me. Just tell me, how do we get out of here?
Figure out the code. Get out.
Leave him alone. He's delirious.
Look, he knows something, all right?
I'm out of here.
방이 움직입니다.
Are you okay?
It's a wall. It wiggled. Look, there it goes again.
That's I don't know.
위협을 느끼는 사람들.
What is that?
I don't know. I don't think we should stick around to find out. Come on.
벽이 밀려오기 시작하지요.
For Christ's sake.
Time for us to go. I'm not done with you yet. I'm not going anywhere soon. Let's get out of here.
This is gonna hurt.
생각보다 더 고통스러울 겁니다. 벽이 지나가면 곧바로 모든 건 낡아지죠. 어쩔 수 없이 케이트는 도망가는데 또 다른 자신을 봅니다. 계속해서 밀려드는 압착벽. 그렇게 사람들은 생존을 위해 여러 방들을 거쳐왔죠.
So what the hell happened back there, huh?
I don't know.
Hello, where did you come from? What's your name?
Don't you remember me?
점점 희망이 사라질 즈음 놀랄만한 발언을 하는 제리.
It was our only link to this place.
I designed the door panels in here.
What?
You didn't think this was worth mentioning before?
Well, I signed a confidentiality.
But what the hell is this place?
I don't know.
You must have some idea what they were building.
Leading edge stuff. Quantum teleportation.
Now this is getting ridiculous.
Both you and the Colonel work for them.
Who the hell are them anyway? What, the government? The mafia? Aliens?
It's a tesseract. It's beautiful.
페일리가 특정한 도형을 알아봅니다.
What'd you call it again, Mrs.?
It's a tesseract.
Tesseract.
이 할멈의 정체는 무엇일까요?
I can't believe I didn't see it before. I mean,
Well, maybe you could share with the rest of the class.
a tesseract. Another name for a hypercube.
제리는 이 큐브가 단순한 3차원이 아니라 시간과 공간까지 넘나드는 4차원 초입방체라고 설명합니다. 그리고 현실 세계에서는 구현되지 않았다고 덧붙이죠.
Does this diagram show us how to get out?
No. It's a hypercube is supposed to be real. It's just a theoretical construct.
I think we should make a map.
지도조차 의미 없는 공간입니다.
Look at that.
That wasn't there a minute ago.
Did you read that?
I just marked this room as 10 before. Somebody's been here before.
6659개의 방이 존재하는 걸까요?
This place must be huge.
In a hypercube, there could be 60 million rooms.
No, she could be right.
There's a comforting thought.
What the hell are you doing?
The ratings on this show just doubled.
What do you see?
Girl, going in.
Get back here!
Gravity shifted.
You may be hurt.
중력의 방향이 새롭게 설정된 방에 들어간 맥스.
So we going in there or what?
Maybe she knows something.
모두들 따라 들어갔지요.
Miss? Hey, miss. Wake up.
남자들은 페일리와 사샤를 위해 방법을 찾기 시작합니다.
Oh, Mary.
Hi. What the hell? Where am I?
That's the $1,000,000 question.
남자들은 옷을 벗어
All right, this is going to be some kind of...
밧줄을 만들어 갔지요.
Guys, keep her steady.
모두 무사히 중력이 바뀐 방에 들어갔군요.
Oh, they must have had more to drink last night than I thought.
There's nothing in here.
How the hell did I get here? Have we been kidnapped?
You know, that's a really good question.
이들은 잠시 멈추고
So does anyone remember how we got here?
이 큐브에서 눈을 뜨기 전 마지막 기억을 떠올려 보기로 합니다. 그리고 더불어 자신들의 직업까지 공개하는데 모두가 아이존이라는 기업과 직간접적으로 연결되어 있다는 충격적인 사실이 밝혀지죠.
Let's just say if I was kidnapped, it was for the ransom.
I think they probably flew us here, drugged us, and flew us out here in private or military jets.
Where is here?
I don't know. Your guess is as good as mine.
그때 뭔가를 발견한 케이트.
The hell?
What?
Here's that number again. 60659. There just can't be that many rooms.
Maybe they're not room numbers. Maybe somebody else figured something out.
어떤 물건도 발견됩니다.
You're definitely not alone. Check this out.
It's mine.
이건 제리의 시계와 똑같았지요.
Look, this is the watch that my wife gave me on my 40th.
사이먼의 의심이 제리를 향하던 바로 그때
Maybe it's your game that we're playing, Jerry.
페일리는 다른 방으로 몸을 옮깁니다.
I think he's still alive.
Is there somebody in there?
Oh God, there's a guy down here.
엎드러져 있는 한 남자를 발견한 이들. 이 남자는
Let's roll him over. Yeah.
죽은 시체였지요.
God, is he right? He's been here for a while, Mrs. Paley. What is that? The same writing as those numbers we keep seeing.
Oh no, it's poor Dr. Rosenzweig.
Who the hell is he?
Phil Rosenzweig, the leading theoretical physicist in his field.
저명한 물리학자는
Oh my God.
이 큐브에서
Kate, is he?
무언을 발견하려고 했던 걸까요?
He's gone.
I mean, does anyone understand these numbers? I mean, what was he writing?
Maybe he was trying to calculate his way out of here. It's like he ran out of time.
How did old Mrs. Paley know?
Hey, look, more numbers.
The question is, did he solve it before he died?
Look, there it is again. 60659. It's got to mean something.
We better remember it.
물리학자도 이들이 발견했던
Found a pen.
숫자를 발견했던 것 같습니다.
What is it, Mrs. Paley?
Eyes on, where are you?
Did she say eyes on?
Who are you looking for?
Darling little Shih Tzu.
Her dog's name is Izon? That's weird.
A weapons manufacturer.
Yes.
페일리는 무슨 말을 하는 걸까요?
Mrs. Paley, what do you do for a living?
Theoretical mathematician.
Where'd you work?
To Skippy research.
Her dog's name was Izon.
Your dog's name is Skippy?
She worked for a weapons manufacturer.
What sort of research did you do at eyes on?
I don't care what Alex Trusk says.
Who's
Did
Alex?
she say Alex Trusk? Oh, Christ. We're dead. Hacker extraordinaire. He's a legend.
Doesn't even exist.
전혀 감을 못 잡는 이들.
Yippee! Hear him. Yippee! Yippee!
페일리는
Oh my!
자신을 발견했죠.
Help me, please.
Don't trust me. I'm lying about everything.
말도 안 되는 상황이 펼쳐집니다. 방금 전의 인물들은 뭐였을까요?
I have an idea. You know, really in a multi-dimensional quantum environment, parallel realities actually exist simultaneously.
So you're saying that what we just saw was Simon and Mrs. Paley?
Yes. A few minutes before, when you found the watch, well, that's what I thought. That maybe we should leave markers.
Crying out loud.
Christ, man.
She said Jerry's right, and I think Jerry's either full of shit or part of this experiment.
You're all crazy.
자신의 죽음을 본 사이먼은 가만히 있을 수 없죠.
Simon, where'd you get that knife, huh?
It's mine.
He had it when I first saw him.
폭력적인 모습을 보이는 사이먼.
Get some ice cream and everyone will feel a lot better about him.
You're a funny old lady. She's already admitted working for Izon. Maybe my alter ego wasn't all that wrong. Maybe we shouldn't trust dear old Mrs. Paley.
Maybe you're the one we shouldn't trust.
You know, I'm gonna ignore that little girl because you're a cripple.
사이먼은 불안합니다.
Well, I think we should keep moving, huh? After you.
이들은 출구를 찾으려고 계속 움직이지만 먹지도 마시지도 못해 체력이 점점 고갈됐죠.
Exhausted. Are we there yet?
Just hold on a little longer.
사람들은 그 천재 해커가 일을 벌였다고 결론짓습니다.
Who's this Alex Trusk person? He programmed the virus that crashed the Tokyo Stock Exchange 2 years ago. He's bending.
Alex Trusk is a conspiracy theorist wet dream. He doesn't exist.
People just shut up and keep moving.
Do you really believe this stuff about parallel universes?
This place changes your perception of what's possible.
결국엔 지쳐버린 이들. 이들은 잠시 쉬어가기로 하지요.
Look, let's just keep this between us for now.
Yeah, okay.
I'm a private investigator. I'm on a case, missing persons.
Well, I think given our current situation, this counts as irony.
그때 무언가가 등장합니다.
Kate?
What is it? What's wrong?
There's something here.
Probably just dreaming or so. Oh, there is something.
What the hell is that?
이들 앞에 나타난 정사각형 틀.
This square, it's just floating.
Recognize this too, Mrs. Paley?
Now there's two.
Multiple.
틀은 복잡한 구조로 변화해 갔지요.
What's this stuff?
Sounds wrong.
It's stunning. It's a perfect quadrangular oscillation.
틀에 의해 부상당한 제리. 틀은 사방으로 튕기며 이들을 공격합니다. 서둘러 대피하는 이들. 정신 나간 페일리 때문에 제리가 산채로 쏠리고 말았죠.
No, she's gone for Christ's sake. You want to end up like Jerry? Kate, you're a dead woman.
Oh, Jesus.
Hey, help! Coming to get you!
사샤를 구하기 위해 탈출하지 않은 케이트.
Yourself against the wall. Move towards me. Sasha? I'm almost there. There you are. Try to keep your knees.
틀이 움직임을 멈춥니다.
What just happened?
I don't know, Sasha.
그러나 이내 다시 움직이기 시작하는 틀.
Shrinking now, it can get us. So what we're gonna do, we're gonna make a run.
이번에야말로 기회이죠.
Just hold on to me.
3. Okay.
이들이 멈추는 순간 틀의 움직임도 함께 멈춰버리는군요.
It responds to our movements. Don't move. Stay still.
그 순간 사라지듯 소멸해버리는 틀.
Here, we gotta go, honey. Just get up there.
둘만 이동하게 됐죠.
I see a pattern. Anyone connected to this hypercube eventually dies a very violent and painful death.
범인이라 여긴 자를 결박한 사이먼.
I would hate for that to happen to you. So drop the act and tell us how we get out of here.
Simon, that's enough.
Okay, shut up. Shut up.
Okay.
You ready to talk? Because I'm all ears.
악과와 같은 상황이 펼쳐집니다.
Shit, it's here. Just couldn't take my head off.
Let's go.
그러나 페일리를 놓고 갈 수 없었던 사이먼. 페일리가 사이먼을 잡고 늘어지고. 사이먼은 살기 위해 어쩔 수 없이 페일리의 복부에 타공을 하고 말았지요.
Where do you think you're going? Hurry up. Get back here.
사이먼으로부터 도망치는 두 사람.
What the hell?
프레임이 낮은 방이로군요. 탈출구를 출원하는 케이트.
60659. Maybe it's a coordinate of some kind, but in 4 dimensions.
Somebody's birthday.
사샤가 말을 꺼내기 시작하지요.
Why do you think you're in here, Kate?
I don't know. 60659.
Maybe they just like to watch us squirm.
사샤가 뭔가를 알고 있는 걸까요? 맥스와 줄리아는 사이먼을 피해 도망갔는데 이상한 공간에 도달했습니다.
Max, we gotta keep moving. Come on. Max? Max, what's wrong with you?
엄청 빠르게 움직이는 줄리아.
Holy shit! Variable time speed rooms.
Why are you so afraid of this Alex Trusk?
Because he's ruthless. His morals make Muammar Gaddafi look like Mother Teresa.
맥스는 알렉스 트러스크를 두려워하지요.
Keep a secret.
I love secrets. This is really some game, Max.
A company called Cyberthrill stole it from me.
Cyberthrill?
But how do you know that?
They're just a subsidiary.
Who owns them?
Izon.
How do you know that?
Because I represent them.
줄리아도 연결돼 있었군요. 사이먼은 누군가를 낚아챕니다. 제리가 살아있었군요.
Hello, Jerry. Who the hell are you? You don't know me? No. You don't remember me? No. I mean you no harm. Huh? Just let me go and I'll be on my way.
이자는 누구일까요?
How long have you been in here?
I don't know. I just woke up.
You just woke. Holy shit. So maybe you were right before, huh? You were, or the other you, or whatever. This place does cross over parallel, alternate realities.
Have you been drinking?
I really don't give a shit anymore.
무한리필 맛집이란 걸 알아차린 사이먼.
Are you hungry? Yeah, I guess. My stomach's... Because I'm hungry. I'm fucking starving.
살진 고기를 맛있게 섭취했죠.
hearing things.
계속해서 들리는 식량의 소리.
Fine, I was beginning to wonder if I was the only one in here. You're upside down.
또 월측입니다.
You're not the only person here. No, there's lots of people just like you, Jerry.
How do you know my name?
Before Jerry. I want to get this mouthful.
그 시각 케이트는 또 다른 평행 현실이 보여주는 결과와 맞닥뜨리죠.
Oh my God.
Kate? What is it?
충격에 빠진 케이트.
Kate, what's going on?
I don't know, Sasha. I mean, I think in some other reality things didn't turn out so well.
말라버린 미라가 된 결말이군요.
Why don't you just go? I'm a burden.
Please, I know how you're feeling.
It is hopeless.
No, it's not. I'm gonna figure this out.
Figure it out. Trust me, precious. If I haven't figured it out, you sure as shit aren't going to.
이곳에 대해 꿰뚫고 있었던 사샤는 자신의 정체를 드러내죠.
I wasn't kidnapped. I found out they were putting people in here. I tried to blow the whistle on them, so they came after me, and I escaped into the one place they wouldn't dare follow me. In here. Poetic justice, don't you think?
Who are you?
Max was right. Jerry was wrong. I exist.
Oh my God.
Alex Trusk. Pleased to meet your acquaintance.
사샤가 천재의 커였던 것.
Damn it. This is the worst nightmare I've ever had.
You really think this is all a dream?
줄리아는 가변 시간 속도에 방해서 자신의 백태를 전달합니다.
Definitely. In the real world, I'd never kiss you.
Oh, really?
You're not my type.
You're not my type either.
이들은 이 방을 벗어나지 못한 채 시간의 비틀림 속에서 급격하게 닳기 시작하죠. 한편 제리를 또 만나기 섭취한 사이먼.
You gotta love these parallel universes.
You built this thing?
I gave them a real hypercube.
So how do we get out?
Okay, this isn't a game. This place is out of control. It's not stable.
60659. I mean, it's got to mean something.
It's over.
Not yet.
어떻게든 탈출해보려는 케이트. 그러나 점점 이상해지는 큐브. 맥스와 줄리아는 미라가 됐군요. 큐브가 접히기 시작하고
It's Jerry's diagram.
방들이 한데 모이기 시작하지요.
They're all just suddenly in here. It's Jerry's marking, dead physicist equation, hanging there as if we never even rescued him. Everything keeps hearing over and over.
All the realities are starting to collapse into one space.
And what happens to us when they...
The whole thing implodes. It's only a matter of time.
과거의 자신이 봤던 자신이 미래의 자신이었군요.
Kate, we don't have much time.
어느 방향으로도 이제는 향할 수 없죠.
I refuse to die here.
Hello, gorgeous. Miss me? Come on in.
또 겹친 미래.
Hello, Kate.
Who are you?
Do you remember this? Well, I've waited a long time for payback.
That was just seconds ago.
You know, time works differently in this place.
Just let her go.
You take her place.
What do you want?
I'm hungry.
We're all dead anyway.
사이먼은
Okay.
사샤의 경추를 파괴했습니다.
Oh, come on, Kate. Fun's just beginning.
Oh my God.
중첩된 현실에 갇혀버린 이들. 케이트는 사이먼을 공격해보지만 완력에서 밀리죠.
Really gonna miss you.
복수를 꿈꿨으나 너무 늙었던 사이먼. 케이트는 시계에서 해답을 찾았습니다.
Course 60659. It's an expiration date. You figured out when it's gonna implode.
붕괴되기 시작하는 하이퍼 큐브. 사샤의 목걸이를 떼어낸 케이트는 끝없이 이어진 심연의 통로를 발견했죠. 하이퍼 큐브의 마지막 순간입니다. 케이트는 어떻게 될까요? 어떤 한 실험 공간에서 깨어난 케이트. 케이트를 기다리고 있던 자들이 있습니다.
Hello, Kate. Welcome back. So, you figured it out.
No time to spare.
The device. Any luck?
케이트는 사샤의 기록 장치를 노리고 잠입했던 아이존 요원이었죠.
See if anything recorded on it.
첫 생환 작전 요원으로 치하받은 케이트. 증인은 즉각 처형됩니다.
Yes, sir. Phase 2 is terminated. Yes, sir. Right away, sir.
아이존 주도의 실험은 계속됩니다. 영화는 여기까지. 오늘의 영화 큐브2 하이퍼 큐브 재미있게 보셨나요? 전편인 큐브1이 단순한 방과 인물만으로 극도의 긴장감을 끌어냈다면 큐브2는 차원을 넓혀 시간과 평행 우주까지 끌어들였죠. 하지만 확장된 세계관만큼 이야기가 깊어지지 못했다는 게 큰 아쉬움으로 남습니다. 오히려 왜 갇혔는가라는 질문은 끝내 답을 주지 않은 채 관객도 인물들과 함께 혼란 속에 갇히게 만들었군요. 그 혼란 자체가 또 하나의 트랩이었을까요? 분명 1편만큼의 완성도에는 아쉬움이 있었지만 공간과 시간 차원을 엮어가려 했던 시도만큼은 큐브 시리즈가 가진 실험적 가능성을 보여주었답니다. 그리고 그 혼란의 끝은 다음 3편으로 이어지는 나름의 복선이기도 하죠. 그럼 큐브 시리즈의 마지막 편 3편으로 찾아뵙겠습니다. 구독과 좋아요 알람 설정 부탁드립니다. 김우였습니다. 한 남자가 밀실에서 갑자기 강제 샤워를 당합니다.
I hate this place.
수압이 너무 셌나요? 정신을 차린 남자는 정신없이 수분을 섭취하기 시작하는데 뭔가 이상합니다. 분해되기 시작하는 남자의 피부. 남자는 허물을 벗기 시작하더니 근육과 내장까지 모두 벗어버렸죠.
That is sick.
이 장면을 감상하는 누군가.
Are you watching this?
No thanks. I don't look anymore.
We've seen a lot of, but this is just dear God.
이 모든 트랩을 관리하고 지켜보고 있는 관제실이 있었습니다. 관제실에는 고참 도드와 저참 에릭이 근무하고 있죠.
Wow. You know, you shouldn't be looking at the files.
It's not against the rules,
but it's not encouraged.
Come on, man. We've
It's
all...
not encouraged.
희생자의 기록을 보지 못하게 만류하는 도드. 관제실에는 체스에 빠져있는 도드와 저참 에릭, 그리고 휴가를 떠난 치클리스, 아파서 출근하지 못한 오웬까지 4명이 근무하고 있죠.
I was just wondering, when's Chickless coming back?
Sometime this week. Probably all suntan, the prick.
And Owen?
동료들의 근황을 궁금해하는 에릭.
Owen.
Are you trying to psych me out or what? Owen is probably out sick again. That would be my best guess.
You sure?
Yes.
에릭이 동료들이 돌아오지 않은 것을 의심한 데에는 이유가 있었습니다.
You know, the other night I heard some noise.
Noise?
Yeah, in Owen's room, like a scuffle.
Really?
Yeah.
You dreamt it. You always complain about your nightmares.
순간 들리는 비명 소리.
Come for you at night.
Who does?
They do.
What are you, suicidal?
엘리베이터를 통해 위쪽에서 뭔가 내려오죠.
Didn't forget lunch this time.
캡슐 점심이로군요.
Cheese salad with ginseng. Must be you. Down the hatch.
그리고 함께 하달된 명령.
Please record REM sleeper in rooms. Let's go.
큐브의 인원을 확인하는 절차가 시작되죠.
Locating subject.
Are we locked?
Sorry. Locked on.
Thank you. Arm extension. Go.
데이터 확인 시작.
Calibrating.
Steady.
I got it.
Light her up. Interscan is locked. Commencing REM read.
수면자는 뇌에 칩이 삽입되어 기억까지 마음대로 조작당할 수 있는 존재입니다. 그렇게 쇠탁된 뇌에 흐르는 카산드라의 남은 기억. 카산드라는 큐브 마크가 이마에 새겨진 남자에게 습격당해 납치됐었죠.
Yeah, let's cycle back. And there you have it. Do this long enough, you could do it in your sleep.
When's the last time you remember being outside?
I don't remember.
I don't remember either. Isn't that weird?
You're weird.
You know, I was just thinking.
Stop thinking.
What's gotten into you?
What's gotten into me? You know who these are?
Chickless's kids.
They're orphans.
도드는 무슨 말을 하는 걸까요?
Told me Chickless was on vacation.
I have to go to the can. Try not to drool on the controls. Screws up the calibration.
자신도 시스템 안에 갇힌 부품임을 실감하는 에릭. 에릭은 카산드라에게 특별한 관심을 기울이기 시작합니다. 레인스라는 이름이 새겨진 옷을 입고 정신을 차린 카산드라.
Bastards. Where is she? What have you done with her? What have you done to me? Why can't I remember? Why can't I remember my daughter's name?
기억을 조작당한 카산드라는 무작정 다른 방으로 넘어가지요.
Hey!
누군가 있습니다.
Let me go!
Okay, she's one of us.
It's me again, soldier, and you'll be eating your eyeball.
What do you know about me?
Tattoo on your forehead.
군인을 경멸하는 카산드라.
Why did you do that?
Because you're scum.
None of us remembers how we got here. Pretty much anything else.
So whatever you think you know about me, I don't even know myself.
Have you seen any children?
No.
Gotta keep moving.
You gotta be careful climbing around here.
Why?
There are traps.
How do you know?
Because of this?
사라진 맥스봉. 이들은 서로의 기억을 확인합니다.
Remember something before all of this?
Not much. Being chased through the woods by guys like you.
I feel like we've been here for hours and I still can't remember anything.
We gotta get moving while we still have our strength. We keep moving in the same direction till we find the edge.
Well, what about the trap?
We test the room. We have a system.
신고 있던 워커들을 이용해 큐브의 안전성을 점검하는 이들.
I'm going in.
이 방에서는 물질을 통한 확인이 무의미했지요. 와이어 함정에 빠진 남자. 남자는 그대로 여러 조각으로 절단되고 맙니다. 눈앞에서 펼쳐진 참상을 보고
Animals would do this.
경악하는 카산드라. 시스템에 맞서는 카산드라의 모습을 보고 에릭은 특별한 관심을 보이죠.
She look familiar to you? Keep thinking I've seen her before. I know what she's in for.
What's the first rule I taught you about this job? Don't get involved.
I know I'm not getting involved.
Get us back on real time and get us in trouble.
호기심 많은 천재인 에릭.
I'll show you 3 ways to beat that game, but if you answer one question.
Show me.
Okay.
그는 도도의 체스 난제를 마치 아무 일도 아닌 듯 손쉽게 해결해버립니다.
Checkmate. You win. That's brilliant. What do you know about a third exit? Owen said there was. He said Chickless found some old plane. I think that's why they're gone. I think they found something else. This conversation is over. One day you're gonna wake up inside.
에릭은 시스템에 의문을 품고 있군요.
The sensors in that room must have been different.
방법이 통하지 않자 당황하는 이들.
How the hell did we miss this?
What is it?
CIA. Clues to who built this place?
Try the other door.
단서를 발견했죠.
YYO.
UDS.
What do they mean?
It's like some kind of code or puzzle we have to figure out.
They're playing with us.
We should make a map.
I have a better idea. I need something. You have a
카산드라는 단서의 의미를 해석하려 하죠.
They did us the favor of polishing our boots. We'll flag the safe rooms. CIA. Give me the others.
YYO SAM.
I don't know. Shoe polish and a hairpin. Nothing in this place is random.
Maybe the bastards just underestimated us.
이런 카산드라의 모습에 더욱 호감을 느끼는 에릭.
Near and yet so far. Yeah, but she's doing better than most. I mean, half of them don't even notice the letters, let alone map them.
I meant the chess. Give it up. She doesn't stand a chance.
Of course she has a chance. You're gonna ride in on your white horse and whisk her out? The rooms could realign to zero position.
도드는 에릭에게 방들이 재정렬될 때 무슨 일이 일어나는지 묻습니다.
Clean sweep.
Exactly. The only thing that's gonna sail through then is her ash.
Don't you ever feel guilty?
You're out of line. Why don't you stop your doodling and do some work for a change?
시스템에 충실한 도드.
This one's SDF. Wait a minute. But they're not periods. They're commas.
새로운 정보가 발견됐군요.
He's right. They're commas.
What difference does it make?
Well, isn't that how you plot coordinates on a graph?
Right.
The letters tell us one important fact that numbers never would.
We know the parameters.
Exactly. 26 rooms on each side.
We're anywhere from 1 to 25 rooms away from the edge.
큐브 구조를 알아가는 걸까요?
Guess we'll try another way.
카산드라의 기록을 살펴보던 에릭.
Cassandra.
이상한 점을 발견합니다.
His name's Anna? Oh my god.
What is it now?
The consent form's missing. But this could be huge. A mistrial.
Hey!
See? Told you I recognized her.
밝혀진 그녀의 정체.
She's a political. So now what explain it? What do you mean? There might not be a consent form. But that's illegal. We gotta let him know upstairs.
And how are we gonna do that?
Call up.
에릭은 시스템을 의심하죠.
Oh my god. What if it's all bogus? The files, the crimes, everything. Maybe they're just putting anyone in there they don't like. Maybe.
We're just the button men.
For once and make the call.
You do it. You're the hero.
항거려는 에릭.
Just remember, how much easier would it be to get to you? Who knows where you'll wake up tomorrow?
그때 중요한 명령이 전달됩니다.
Hello? It's for you.
Yeah. Yes, sir. Right away, sir. I understand, sir. Yes, sir.
큐브의 최종 지점에 누군가 도달한 것.
We got work to do. Someone's at the exit.
What do we do?
Exit procedure.
And I've never done this before. Don't you usually do this with Owen?
출구 집행은 오웬이 있어야만 가능하죠.
But I am not a senior technician.
That was a phone call from upstairs. We can't screw this up.
We?
Yes, we.
규칙을 중시하던 도드가 스스로 규칙을 지키지 않자 에릭은 의문스럽게 여깁니다.
You help me with this? I'll tell them about your girlfriend, okay? As soon as we're done with this, all right? Okay? Step 1. Visual confirmation of subject in exit.
큐브의 최종 지점에 도달한 이는
Oh no, Owen. It's Owen. Shut up.
선임 기술자 오웬이었죠.
Hello? Hello?
그대로 속박되는 오웬.
Anyone there? Hello?
Question 1. Please state your name.
Who are you?
He doesn't recognize your voice. They fried his brain.
Owen? I think it's Owen.
Thank you. Do you believe in God?
What? What is this?
Please answer yes or no.
What kind of God would do this to people? No. Let me go!
Hit it. What does it do? Just hit it.
머뭇거리는 에릭의 손. 오웬은 순식간에 잿더미로 변해버렸습니다. 충격에 빠진 에릭.
So want your girlfriend to sail through to the exit? He's gone. So
에릭은 오웬이 자유를 얻으리라 잠시 기대했죠.
he was one of us.
No. Once inside, he's one of them.
So this is your big exit procedure? What are we doing here? Do you believe in God? It all hinges on that?
I just read the questions and push the buttons.
What happens if you push yes?
I don't know. No one's ever said yet.
이곳을 나갈 수 없는 게 분명해졌습니다.
Here, send this upstairs. Do it!
말도 안 되는 집행 과정을 지켜보며 자신의 운명을 깨달은 에릭. 에릭은
What kind of animals would do this?
결심합니다.
One is probably out sick.
시스템에 맞서기로.
You're not allowed in there.
Through pushing buttons.
No!
에릭은 끝까지 내려가죠. 그렇게 에릭이 도착한 곳은 큐브였습니다. 스스로 큐브의 실험체가 되기를 선택한 에릭.
I'm inside. Okay.
에릭은 카산드라를 찾아 나서죠. 멘붕이 온 도드. 다시 엘리베이터가 올라오는 소리를 듣고 안심하는데
Jackass.
Good evening, Mr. Dodd. I believe these belong to you. It looks as though you've got yourself a little bit of a situation.
큐브의 책임자 잭스와
Gentlemen, first things first, we locate our map.
첨단 기술을 써서 시스템을 다루는 기술자들이 내려왔습니다. 에릭을 잡으려는 이들.
Excuse me, Mr. Jacks.
Yes, Mr. Codd.
What do I do?
Yes, I almost forgot. I have your orders from upstairs. Commence standard series of needle tests on Rain's group.
All in a day's work, sir. Right away, sir.
Have we got a visual yet?
Still working on it, sir.
규칙을 아는 관리자 에릭은 수월하게 큐브를 통과하지요.
Candy from a baby.
Got it.
Why we bother with these things anymore?
First time I've seen a Z.
Do you think it means anything?
I don't know.
Don't let the door.
Damn it!
순식간에 여자가 사라졌습니다.
She's gone.
이동하는 큐브에 들어간 여자. 여자는 도관에 든 쥐죠.
Subject is isolated.
이 여자에게 테스트를 진행해야 하는 도드.
Now the tricky part.
도드는 명령을 잘 수행했습니다. 카산드라의 흔적을 따라가는 에릭.
Last seen here than an hour ago. Should still be in the same quadrant.
천재적인 눈으로 큐브의 전체 구조를 순식간에 꿰뚫어 버리죠.
She can't be that far.
We'll never find the edge.
We cut our losses.
Guys, you sure this room is safe?
하스켈은 여자를 포기하고 탈출로를 찾자고 말합니다.
What are you doing?
We could use these.
We have to keep moving.
We've already chased our tails for an hour looking for. Come on, this Eric is not going away.
It's that chip in your head. Well, it's true, isn't it?
Lady, you've got a hell of an imagination.
Jackpot. It's her.
여자를 발견한 이들.
Is she alright?
She's not moving.
여자는 미동도 하지 않고 있죠.
Are you all right?
Is she?
Can you hear me?
즉사한 여자.
You just...
I didn't mean to. She scratched and I...
You put her out of her misery. My headache's gone.
Something was eating away at her. Virus.
It could be in the air.
Let's see your arm. Where's she scratching?
Fine, there. Flesh wound.
남자는 감염됐습니다.
Sure. What do we do with him? I think whatever was eating away at her, say we ditch him.
Screw you!
Look at him.
Oh my god.
순식간에 몸 전체로 번져가는 감염.
Please don't leave me.
This is horrible.
Please, I'll do anything.
Anything. From now on, you test the rooms. All of them.
Fine.
남자는 이대로 죽을 수 없죠.
Well, we're not going down there, since wasting a good boot.
망설임 없이 남자를 손절하는 하스켈.
Help me! He's still alive down there.
Forget it, he's gone.
Son of a bitch!
트랩방에 떨어진 남자. 남자의 몸은 폭발하지요.
No!
하스켈의 선택에 분노하는 카산드라.
You murdered him.
You saw it was spreading.
Actually, he's right. Flesh-eating disease.
Who the hell are you?
I've come to help.
Damn.
Problem.
No problem, sir.
에릭도 감시 아래 놓였습니다.
I've even heard there are other facilities, cubes.
Christ.
Why can't we remember anything?
Bastards, you've been using us as lab rat.
I hate my job.
How can you do this to people?
It was your choice. I saw the consent forms. They say you're all condemned prisoners who volunteer for the experiments instead of facing the death penalty.
Did you happen to see a little girl?
Her name's Anna, right?
카산드라의 기억을 그려놓은 에릭.
Where's my daughter, you...
에릭은 함께 탈출하자고 말하죠.
Now there's supposed to be an auxiliary exit directly outside the cube.
It shows how to avoid the trap.
Read me the coordinates from the surrounding rooms.
두고 볼 수 없는 잭스.
It seems that our little mouse is a rat. Could you do something about that?
단서를 모두 소구합니다.
CFP. The hell? The letters, they just disappeared.
이제는 함정을
All gone.
피할 수 없게 되었죠.
Now would be a good time to move. Could you isolate that quadrant for me, please? Show me the current trap configuration, s'il vous plaît.
조작으로 모든 방을 컨트롤하는 잭스.
Let's make their life a little more interesting.
이들이 있는 큐브에 연결된 모든 방을 함정으로 세팅해버렸습니다.
All the rooms around us. Now what?
I'm actually starting to enjoy myself.
더 이상 두고 볼 수 없던 잭스의 상관.
What? Sir. Yes, sir. Sorry, sir. Right away, sir. It's time to blow this popsicle stand. Just finish it.
도드는 에릭의 그림을 보죠.
Think.
생각할 시간도 없이 작동되는 트랩.
Now what do we do? I don't want to die in here.
찌릿해지기 직전 트랩 작동이 멈췄습니다.
Come on, you piece of... Suddenly lost contact. Someone is screwing with the connection.
왜 작동이 멈춘 걸까요?
It's not me, I swear.
도드를 의심하는 직스.
No, sir. Wouldn't think of it.
도드의 작품이었죠.
Excuse me, sir. Can I use the facility, sir?
Just go.
I don't think it's the software, sir.
What is that noise?
It's gone into reset mode.
게다가 큐브는 리셋 모드로 전환되었습니다.
Power go up?
Yeah. Traps don't work. It's gone into reset mode.
시스템이 리셋될 때 발생하는 소멸 작업을 설명하는 에릭.
He's the only one who can power down this quick. Clean sweep happens after they realign to zero position.
에릭은 탈출의 기회를 발견했죠.
It'll move us to the perimeter and we'll have about 3 seconds to get out.
Before it fries.
Yeah.
탈출할 방으로 향하는 이들.
It's been in the little boy's room an awfully long time.
도드는 들킵니다.
May I have that widget back?
I don't think I can do that.
Yes.
핵심 부품을 위에 담는 도드.
I do believe there is penalty.
도드의 위는
Not to worry, you still will be able to feel.
열렸죠.
It's 5 minutes to reset.
Does anyone know where this goes?
I got it, sir.
I need to see them with my own God-given eye. One of our runaway rats is a former squad soldier.
Of course, that's brilliant.
잭슨은 군인 출신 하스켈의 뇌에 심어진 칩을 이용하려 합니다. 추락한 하스켈.
There's no way you survived that.
시간이 얼마 남지 않았죠.
We gotta go. Come on.
하스켈이 무기화됩니다.
We have a visual.
It's a weak signal.
Your tax dollars hard at work. Transmit the kill code.
Pain inhibitor activated. Eurochem enhancer amplified.
각성된 하스켈. 눈이 돌아간 걸 확인한 이들. 하스켈은 엄청난 살인병기가 되었으나 남성이 파괴되어 기절하고 말았죠. 유일한 출구와 이어진 방이
How much further? We're almost there.
그리 멀지 않은 곳에 있죠.
ACC, this is it.
It's okay. I passed.
Just over 1 minute.
출구 쪽으로 이동하는 방.
We've got the grid display back. 30 seconds to clean sweep.
탈출이 코앞입니다.
Water.
The auxiliary exit is directly outside.
Now what?
Can you swim?
중성화된 하스켈. 큐브는 리셋되죠. 에릭과 카산드라는 큐브를 탈출했습니다.
Get a squad to the exit.
이들은 자유를 되찾을 수 있을까요? 순식간에 포위된 이들. 에릭은 자신을 희생해 카산드라를 탈출시켰죠.
Thank God. Welcome back, Mr.
잭슨은 국가와 신을 거스른 죄를 지은 에릭에게 형을 선고합니다.
Your sentence has been extended for 2 more lifetimes.
Wait, what are you doing?
I choose death. You do not get a choice. You have already made.
사실 에릭 역시 큐브에 갇힌 사형수 중 하나였죠.
You chose to become a test subject many years ago, observing the observers. Wait! Where is she? You didn't catch her.
열받은 잭스, 에릭의 뇌를 열라고 지시합니다.
He's all yours. Don't touch me. Don't worry. This won't hurt.
에릭은 개조되었습니다. 큐브 1편의 자폐이인 카자누로 말이죠.
What's wrong with him?
He doesn't seem to know we're here.
This room is green.
자신을 잃은 에릭.
Hi there.
This room is green.
Yes, it is. What is it, shock?
I want to go back to the blue room.
I think he's mentally handicapped.
How the hell did he survive in here? I want to go back.
다시는 이전으로 돌아갈 수 없죠. 영화는 여기까지. 오늘의 영화 큐브 제로 잘 보셨나요? 이 작품은 큐브 시리즈의 마지막 편으로 그동안의 의문을 어느 정도 해소해 주었죠. 관리자와 시스템의 정체가 드러나며 세계관이 확장되긴 했지만 그 덕분에 1편에 남겨둔 신비로움은 오히려 사라진 듯합니다. 설명을 시도했음에도 와닿지 않는 부분이 많았고 열린 해석의 여지를 닫아버린 점은 큰 아쉬움으로 남는데요. 모든 비밀을 너무 쉽게 드러내면서 결국 이후 시리즈 제작의 가능성에도 스스로 제동을 걸어버린 작품이 되었죠. 이후로 20년 동안 후속작 얘기가 없으니 말입니다. 이후 밀실 스릴러의 흐름은 소우 시리즈가 이어받아 더욱 극적으로 발전시켰죠. 소우 시리즈 전편 리뷰도 있으니 이어서 감상해보시길 추천드립니다. 그럼 다음에도 재밌는 영화로 찾아뵙죠. 구독과 좋아요, 알람 설정 부탁드립니다. 김우였습니다.